folks out. This is really just real thin wood, so you have to have something to brace that onto. So what I did, so on the back side, I took and cut a little piece of plywood, cut some liquid nails, and glued it up. And I'm going to put a couple of brackets in, and I'll show that here in just a little bit. I have some brackets that I hooked onto the board up at the top, and also kind of put a little screw back over in the corner to help hold that in place. And like I said, I put liquid nails on the board to hold it all in place, so that when I put the brackets on, it'll hold it, and hopefully everything will stay sturdy there. Just a little trick: if you want to round off a corner, you can take a roll of tape or anything that's round, set it on the corner, take your pencil, and just trace that out, and that'll give you a nice curve on that corner. So here's how it's starting to look. So that's where it's going to go. I didn't want it to be level with that because of the couch. It's actually going to be a place where we can just have drinks and or maybe a little table, another little place to sit and eat. So again, one spot, multiple uses. So I rounded off the corner using a jigsaw. Then I pre-drilled the holes, marked those from underneath. And then just check everything for fitment, make sure it looks like it's going to fit the way I want it to. Next step is going to be, I'm going to use some other material to cover the top of this with. And we'll figure out that here a little later. Probably use the same material that we used for the tabletop in the office area. So once we get all those votes in, we'll know what we're going to do there.